Welcome!
I don't like that color.
I thought it was white when I ordered
Hot
it.
Mess Mama.
Hot Mess Mama.
Welcome to our channel, Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. My name is Bo.
And I'm Jillian.
And we have a really exciting video that's been in the works for a long time. So, if you know anything about Julie, she's constantly on the search for her
signature scent.
Her signature scent, which she has never found. So a company reached out to us called Luxury Scent Box, saying that they would like to send us a box.
Yeah, and see if we like it.
Yeah.
Now,
which is right up Julie's alley.
Yes.
Because it's perfume sent to you
Yes.
to find your signature scent.
Yes, and it's a subscription service, and it's $15 a month, and they say that they send you designer and niche fragrances. So maybe like scents you wouldn't normally find at like Sephora and stuff, but then also brand name scents.
Now, what is...
I really wish I wouldn't have worn this shirt.
What's normal, like, about what you could do is you can go on their website and fill out a survey. We didn't do that because we just wanted to see, like, know whatever it's called.
So you go to their website and you create a profile and you fill out like a short survey, and they'll
like
select
woodsy or floral or spices or manly.
So when I was talking to them, I said we liked really light perfumes, nothing musky, nothing very strong. Because that's what I wanted. I didn't even ask Bo what she wanted. Yeah. I said like beachy, sandy.
So she does not. I have had this box because I went and got it from the Peel box.
Yeah.
So what I've done is she's going to be your fresh, never before seen it,
even seen
all of it. And I've been the one that tested them out and wore them throughout the day, so I can kind of see if they stick around or like my thoughts on them if they change with that. So you kind of have two different perspectives here. If you're wondering why Julie looks super disengaged, she is looking at the information on the phone.
Don't they only do like travel sizes? It's not full prices. I think.
No. So what it comes like this, and then inside, you guys will get to see they have really cool.
And you can even show our address because it's just our
PO
box.
I forgot about that. I'm gonna get closer to you guys. Okay, so comes like this. And this says, Luxury Scent Box, thanks for becoming a member. Matching you with the perfect scent, one fragrance at a time.
I can't wait to find my signature scent.
So we have two in here. Which one would you like to start with?
I want to try with this one.
Now, the cool thing about these that I noticed, now I wasn't a huge fan of the one, I've only tried one of them throughout the day. Of the scent, it was a little overpowering for me, but their bottles are super cool. So they look like this.
Oh, did they all come in those?
Yeah. Aren't they cool?
Wow.
Now, so all you need to do is twist.
Twist. Wow.
And then the spray comes up. So this should be, is it this both together or 1 month supply?
I think that you only get one a month. Maybe two. I don't know. It says approximately 1 month supply of fragrance, but I don't know how many that is.
I think you would get two. Because if it comes like this.
Yeah, so I think maybe you get two. We'll have to look into that.
We'll put it in the description.
Yeah. Let's try them out. That's so cool though. That's awesome. So you can just throw this in your bag. Ready. And
it won't, like, you just...
Whoa! Look at that!
You put it back down, so then you're not dealing with a lid or anything.
How do you know what the scent is?
See, that's what I couldn't figure out, is maybe on our...
Oh, look!
Oh, does it say?
It's called Tokyo Milk Dark Tainted
Whoa,
Love.
I didn't even know you could do that! That's so cool! Okay, I don't think I tried yours. I think I tried this one. Because I like the smell of yours a lot better. I love it.
This is so good. So this one's called Tokyo Milk Dark Tainted Love 62. And it also has this like QVC scanner on there. So I bet if you scan it, it'll go right to it.
This one is Lolia Wish by Margot Alina.
I want to try that one.
So let's trade.
I'm like so love this one. I'm pretty sure that you get 2 scents because they said they were going to send us 2 boxes and we only got 1 box. Yeah, this one's too musky.
That one was the one I tried and I was like, it's a lot.
I mean, it's pretty, but it's just too much for me. I wouldn't like it. I love that, though.
This one is really good. I like this one.
Build your fragrance calendar
for the
months to come.
Luxury scent box. So then what would happen is, now obviously we do this with Ipsy too. You get sent the stuff, so then you can review this stuff. So if we don't like these, you know, like, okay, I went in and I really liked the Tokyo one. I didn't like the Lulia one.
Yeah.
So you go in and you review it, and then it would, like, say, okay, they don't really like musky, or they don't really like super spices.
And this one says that you can build your calendar. So you can put, like, different scents on your calendar that you know you like.
Which would be also a really good thing for different times of year. Like, you know, like, kind of towards Christmas, you might want one that's a little bit more, like, Christmassy versus springtime floral or light summer or stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's
that's it really. It's $15 a month. No contract, nothing. You can cancel at any time. We do have a subscription code, like a coupon code. It's LEFTEYETWITCH, all one word, and you get 30% off. So your box will only be $10.50 and free shipping. It seems like a cool little gimmicky thing for people like me that really want to find my scent, and I still don't feel like I found it, but who knows, maybe we'll get another box then I'll find it.
So we'll link that stuff down below for you guys to check out if you guys want to check it out. Great. We're giving you our honest reviews,
and it's not like we didn't get paid for this, we just got sent 2 perfumes.
Yeah,
but it does seem cool. Like I always say I'm looking for my signature scent. The only way that I actually try perfumes out is what I get in those, like, subscription boxes. Like Sephora Play, I get a scent every month, and it's, like, this much of a scent. I can wear it, like, 2 times, and then it's gone. So this one
you could try out more.
And, like, I could go to the store and buy, like, the travel sizes, but that's not worth it. Like, one of those Burberry ones was $29 for even the travel size.
I like also that it's, like, we really like subscription boxes, and I feel like it's something a little bit different.
I love this. It's so cool.
Yeah, things are really cool that you could just throw that in your bag.
And it sprays. Whoa.
Okay. So that's all.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.